Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In our previous video, we have seen a basic quiz program. So, in that video, I have asked you to modify this program in such a way where any option other than ABCD is entered, it has to return as an invalid option. So, here I am going to first check my current program where I have taken a questions from a file and answers from another file. So this is my first question. I'm going to give a correct answer here. So it's correct answer. Let's try giving a wrong answer. So it's going to show as incorrect answer and give me a correct answer. So let me enter an invalid option. Like a symbol with the red. It's not showing as invalid, but showing as incorrect. But what I want to do is I have to modify this program in such a way where it has to show any other option other than A, B, C, D. It has to be as an invalid option. To achieve this, I am going to write an if statement. So I am going to take an if statement here. If my answer, that is my choice, is not in, I am going to take a tuple. So I'm going to take a tuple here with my options as A, B, C, D. So if my chosen answer is not in A, B, C, D, it has to print as invalid option. And here we can break away from this program. Good. Now what will happen? Whenever I enter an invalid option, it shows me an invalid option and it quits my quiz program. So it is going to exit from my quiz program. Any other option other than ABCD is given, it's going to quit. So, but here we can try another one where I'm not going to quit this program. I'm going to the next question. So what I want to do is again, I'm not directly not quitting this from my quiz, but going to next question in my quiz. So in order to achieve that, I'm going to use continue statement instead of break. So break will directly exits from the loop, but continue will it stops my current iteration and goes to next iteration. That is my next question. It displays my next question. But here the question number has to be incremented for each loop. If I use continue in the middle, it's not going to execute all other statements and directly comes to my next question and my next iteration. So here what I have to do is here I have to increment before using continue statement, increment my question number. Then continue. Otherwise, the answer when we are going to take answer, it's going to fetch wrong answer because my question number is not incremented. Now I am going to increment here. So every time it's invalid option is there, question number will be incremented and my answers will be correct. Okay, let's save this and try to implement. Let us check by giving an invalid option. It has to go to next question, it should not quit. So it's an invalid option. I'm going to my next question. Again, here I'm going to do So it's an incorrect, going to give an incorrect. Then choose correct answer. Correct answer. So now my program has been modified in such a way where other options other where any other option other than ABCD which shows as invalid and only takes ABCD as my options. And at last it calculate my result and give me a final score. Okay, so this has been achieved by using a simple if statement. Okay, so this is how we can modify the program. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.